We're back. I butchered my cutter. So I went and ground the nose for a lot more clearance all the way around. I'm really thin on that edge now for support. It's pretty hot right now too. So now we put our bit in there. Chip breaker on top, it doesn't do anything. It's basically a glorified spacer. It's too damn hot to get in there or hold with anything. Okay, so new edge. See there. Very hot. So now it's in there. Hopefully now it'll actually cut something, but you see how the part gets right close like that. You have to rotate in that far before it gets out far enough to do anything. That's the problem. It's too far in. And this has a larger radius on it, so it doesn't stick in further, which is not the direction I want to go. That's the direction I want. I think it's hot. Hot mama. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got to work with now. Should be able to feed in deep enough. Definitely have to cut on that. Right. That line's fine. Okay. So now we go in until the cutter just about touches. Okay, so I'm going to feed in the last few thou until it hits. So now the cutter is hitting. And you can see we got clearance on my holder now. So now there's room for that in there. So it won't rub on it anymore. If it doesn't rub on it, it might actually cut like it's supposed to. And then we go all the way off to the side like that. And you can see we still got a little bit of clearance before we nail anything on that side over there. And this is the tallest one right here, which is the one I can't do because I'm rubbing. That's the one that we're going to hit on because that's flush with the edge. So that is the problem one. So is that one over there, but we won't ever hit that one. Okay, so now I need to go a little bit deeper with that to get it clear. And if I take this right here and go like this, I forgot I had this over here, dumbass. And that eliminates my problem the whole time I had. See, I'm a dumbass too. Oh well. Works now. The bit's tight. Let's see what happens here. Up again. Nicely in there. Okay. Oh dear, we're going to cut off this. Cut a lot off of here. Big cut. Good. Sounds like it's cutting all right. A lot of metal off. Cut all the way over the edge. And we still got a little bit of clearance right here. Oh, look at the finish. A lot better. See how smooth it is? It's actually shiny now, like it's supposed to be. Yeah, the cutter's actually cutting now. Amazing how that works when you do things correctly. Okay, I'm not sure what diameter I want to cut this thing to. That is yet to be determined. I'm good for a little bit more though, but I'm just starting to hit something over here. And now we're this thick here, pretty thick. Okay, let's just take a light cut, get a good finish on it. We'll take it off, take a look at it. Light cut. Yeah, there's the last one's light. Here's the cutter cutting now. Actually got chips coming off now. Chips aren't burning like they were because they just rubbed off and there's a lot more heat. Okay, that's good enough for now. Ooh, that is a sharp edge there. Okay. Get that out of the way. File over here. Do some deburring right now. Burrs all over the place. Lots of things that cut me and make me pissed off. I'll just knock off a few of them here. The whole thing's just one big endless burr. Pretty much is. Use that. Here. Just don't turn it on. There's one big long ass burr. That's extremely sharp. I spent 20 minutes getting this last on the other one. I don't want to take that long, but I'm going to knock off a few of them here. Look at some of the bigger ones. Endless supply of them. That one right there. And a hook on it. Hook on you. Say hello. Waiting for the birds, there wouldn't be anything wrong with this thing. Yeah, back to where I started. Alright. Ooh, a whole bunch in there too. Now I get my deburring tool. Oh yeah. It was easier to get to. Alright, let's go see what we got. Go over here. Pull this off real quick. Okay. We are down here now. Okay, let's see what we got for a thickness now. Remember the number I gave you before? It was one 560. I was thinking it was going to be up. Ow. 566, 567. Pretty close. How even is it? 560 right on nut there, 559. So it's got a little bit of wobble to it, 10th hour wobble. Must be a high spot around here somewhere because I did not deburr this edge or file on it yet. These are sharp over here because I didn't deburr them very well. Okay. So this one's 1.5 inches thick. This one here is just under 3/8, 370. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 waiting to be made. So each one's going to be a different height. 1, 2, 3. So there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this one here off video, and we'll be back in a little bit.